This seat has been stuck for a very long time, impossible to move. I do put a little bit of oil between the seat post and the metal frame, but I mean it's so tight. I don't think it's going to get down in there. Nonetheless, you do it. I mean, you can bang and bang and bang all you want. You'll wreck the seat before you ever get anywhere close to moving this thing. That aluminum and steel does oxidize together. So grab the biggest pipe wrench you have. If you got a shorter pipe wrench, what you can do, you can use the same technique. Just put a pipe on it to create leverage, to create an extension of the handle, so you can still apply a lot of force. I just happen to have some big pipe wrenches. So as soon as you get it loose, then you can put it upright and just go around and around and around until you get it nice and loose. Still applying a little bit of oil, because at this point we've got a little bit of a space between the seat post and the metal frame, so oil will now begin to seep down in between the two pieces of material. So again, put the pipe wrench back on. You are going to mar the post, but looking at most of the other videos in these series of removing seats, boy, they went through a lot of trouble, so that's way too much. So we want a simple solution, and this gets the job done. Again, remember, you can always put a pipe extension on the end of that pipe wrench to create more pressure, more power, if you will. So once it's loose, you can keep your foot on the wheel and pull up on the seat, and she's going to come up and out, and that's what you want. Once you get it out, I would lubricate it very well, clean it, and then lubricate it, and that's it. Hope you enjoy it. Remember to subscribe.